Students, your mathematics class exercise 2.6 we are continuing. In exercise 2.6 question number F, 23,520 sweets were packed equally in 96 boxes. How many sweets are packed in each box? So this is a question. You have to find the number of boxes needed to pack. Totally how many sweets are there? 23,520 sweets are there. And how many boxes are available? 96 boxes. So you have to fill in each box the same amount of sweets must be packed. So 96 boxes are there. You have to fill these sweets, 23,520 sweets equally in each box. So how many sweets are packed in each box? So for that solution, you must write what are the given things in the question. Sweets, number of sweets is given and number of boxes are given. So that you should write number of sweets 23,520. Number of boxes 96. So this is the given thing we have written. Now what you have to find? Number of boxes needed. How many sweets are packed in each box? So that you should write statement. Therefore, number of sweets packed in each box. Like this you must write and divide this. Number of sweets 23,520 divided by how many boxes are there? 96. So 96. Division you know how to divide. So if you take first digit 2, you cannot divide by 96. Next if you take two digits 23, there also you cannot divide by 96. So you have to consider three digits. 235 means 235. 235 divided by 96. First step. This is the first step. 235 divided by 96. 96 2s are 192. Because 96 3s are if you take, it will be more than 235. So 96 2s are 192. Below 235 you must write 192 and subtract. 5 minus 2 3. See here. 5 minus 2 3. 3 minus 9 not possible. So from 2 borrow 1. It will become 13. 13 minus 9 4. Here it is 1 because from 2 you have borrowed 1. Now it is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So how much is remained here? 43. 43 is less than 96. So what you have to do? Next digit 2 you have to bring down. It becomes 432. Now 96 4s are 384. Below 432 you have to write 384. So how you got 384? 96 4s are 384. Subtract. 2 minus 4 not possible. From 3 borrow 1. It becomes 12. 12 minus 4 8. Now it is from 3 borrowed 1 means it is 2. 2 minus 8 you cannot do. So from 4 borrow 1 it becomes 12. 12 minus 8 4. Now it is 3 because from 4 we have taken 1. So now it is 3. 3 minus 3 0. So how much you got? 12 minus 4 8. 12 minus 8 4. 48 you got. So next digit is 0. Bring down. 480. Now 96 5s are 480. See here. 96 5s are 480. Subtract. 0 minus 0. 8 minus 8 0. 4 minus 4 0. These zeros as it is. So what is the answer? 245. These are what? These are number of sweets packed in each box. So in each box 245 sweets are packed. Understood? In what is this? These are the number of sweets packed in each box. Understood? So for that what you have to write? In each box 245 sweets are packed. So down you have to write What are these? 245 sweets. So in each box 245 sweets are packed. This is the answer. So what is the question asked? How many sweets are packed in each box? 245 sweets are packed in each box. Next main question. Your question number H. H. What is your question number H? By what number should 17 crore 30 lakh 40,062 be divided to get 4,082? So big number divided by small number you have to write. So this is the division. 17 crore 30 lakh 40,062 divided by 4,082. 4,082 4s are 16,328. Subtract like this. Subtraction, everything you know. Again how many times? 4 minus 8 not possible. From 0 you cannot borrow 1. So from these two digits 30 borrow 1. 14 minus 8 6. Here now it is instead of 30 it is 29. So 9 minus 2 7. Here 2 it is there. 2 minus 3 not possible. From 7 borrow 1. 12 it is. 12 minus 3 9. Now it is 6. 6 minus 6 0. 1 minus 1 0. So how much you got? 9760. Now 4,976 you got. Bring down 0. Now it is 9,760. 4,082 2s are 8,164. Subtract. 0 minus 4 not possible. From 6 borrow 1. It becomes 10. 10 minus 4 6. Now it is 5. 5 minus 6 not possible. From 7 borrow 1. Now it is 15. 15 minus 6 9. Here now it is 6 because from 7 1 borrowed. Now it is 6. 6 minus 1 5. 9 minus 8 1. How much it is? 1,596. Bring down another 0 here. It becomes 15,960. So 4,082 3s are 12,246. 0 minus 6 not possible. From 6 borrow 1. It becomes 10. 10 minus 6 4. Now it is 5. 5 minus 4 1. 9 minus 2 7. 5 minus 2 3. 1 minus 1 0. How much it is? 3,714. Next digit 6 bring down. It becomes 37,146. So 4,082 3s are 4,082 9s are 4,082 9s are 36,738. Subtract. 6 minus 8 not possible. From 4 borrow 1. It is 16. 16 minus 8 8. Now it is 3. 3 minus 3 0. 1 minus 7 not possible. From 7 borrow 1. It is 11. 11 minus 7 4. Here it is 6. 6 minus 6 0. 3 minus 3 0. This 0 as it is. Now it is how much? 408. Bring down the last digit 2 down. Now it is 4,082. See here 4,082 1s are 4,082. Subtract. 2 minus 2 0. 8 minus 8 0. 0 minus 0 0. 4 minus 4 0. These zeros as it is you can write. So what remainder is 0. What is the answer? This quotient you have to see. How much it is? 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. These two combine 42,391. See your answer 42,391. So this is the answer. So this is the divisor. This is the divisor. 42,391 is the answer. This is how you have to understand the division problems. Remaining problems will continue in the next class. Write neatly in your CW. First understand the solution and you can write neatly in your maths CW.